Restaurant payroll software helps to process salaries and offers tools to manage your payroll taxes, tips, and attendance. We spent 7 days reviewing the leading options for restaurant payroll software. At the end of this video, you'll be able to know which software is best for restaurant payroll. Number 1. Gusto, the best for most. Gusto offers an array of key features to help you pay your restaurant staff, including unlimited and automated pay runs that boost the value through the roof. What we're looking at is a complete package here. A full-service payroll with time tracking, benefits management, dedicated hiring and onboarding, and finance tools for your employees. There are handy customizable onboarding checklists, and you can send offer letters, e-sign, and store new hire paperwork with ease. On top of that, the software will calculate and file your payroll taxes automatically and offers key benefits such as medical, dental, vision, health reimbursements, and flexible spending accounts. Gusto tracks your team's hours, time off, and holidays, adding them to the payroll without fuss. Even better is that employees and contractors can track their hours themselves from their accounts, and you can review and approve their requests as required. You can receive personal support from certified HR experts on the highest plan to take your business further. Gusto is a restaurant payroll software that covers everything you need, and that's why we like it so much. There are 3 plans designed for small business: Simple, Plus, Premium, and a separate contractor plan. The Simple plan starts at $6 per month per person with a $40 per month base price. This allows you to run payroll in a single state and includes the core set of HR services. Plus plans allow you to run payroll in multiple states and includes features such as time tracking and workforce costing that restaurant owners may find helpful. Plus plans cost $12 per month per person with a $80 per month base price. If you only hire and pay contractors, there is no base fee and a price of $6 per month. We have more information on Gusto plans and pricing in our in-depth Gusto review. Gusto is a very modern payroll solution that makes your employees and managers' lives easier. Start sending out checks with less stress. We advise you to create a Gusto account today. Number 2. Payroll, best for franchises. Payroll is easy to use and robust payroll software that will save restaurant managers that all-important thing called time. It's a human capital management (HCM) solution ideal for restaurant owners growing their franchises and offers much-needed compliance expertise. There's everything here, including an employee self-service portal, reporting tools, and comprehensive HR resources such as templates, how-to guides, and even alerts when the law changes. You'll be able to customize your payroll with entire workflows, pay-on-demand features, and wage garnishment services. The powerful real-time reports give insights into how things are going, and visualization tools help you stay ahead of the game. HR can even schedule and share reports with executives automatically. Make no mistake, this is software for large operations and won't be best suited for smaller businesses. Payroll has 4 plans to accommodate for every budget, company size, and business need. Basic cost, $99 plus $5 per employee per month. Essential cost, $149 plus $7 per employee per month. Core cost, $199 plus $8 per employee per month. Complete cost, $199 plus $14 per employee per month. Number 3. Paychex, best all-in-one HR and payroll. Paychex is for restaurant managers who need a strong focus on HR and complete payroll service to boot. It offers accurate payroll processing and simplifies HR down to the essentials. The software calculates and files your taxes automatically and offers a simple way to process your payroll. Nothing changed since your last pay period. You can submit payroll in an impressive 2 clicks. You can customize earnings and deductions as needed from an intuitive interface and run reports to help you see how your business is progressing. Employees can log in to complete activities and can quickly update their personal information and tax withholding. Multiple payment options are available too, including direct deposits, paper checks, and pay cards. You'll find dedicated HR professionals that provide in-app help with full chat and phone support 24/7. These pros have an average of 8 years of experience and help with everything from management to compliance. Paycheck's entry-level plan, Paycheck's Flex, starts at $39 plus $5 per employee per month. The pricing for the other plans aren't publicly listed online, so you'll need to request a free quote here. Number 4. Payroll, best for restaurants needing weekend support. Payroll is affordable payroll software with transparent pricing and top-notch US-based customer service. It offers unlimited and automated pay runs, tax filing, and extended weekday evening and weekend support for those that need it. The software stays up to date with the latest tax laws, and if mistakes happen, Payroll will cover the costs at no extra charge. There's support for W-2 employees and 1099 contractors, and the software takes care of 401 deductions with ease. Not to mention there's complete management of flexible spending and health savings accounts. All plans support direct deposit, online pay stubs, and multiple pay rates. There are no setup fees or contracts either. Pricing is not available online, so you'll need to reach out for a quote. Small businesses get 3 months for free and can sign up here. Number 5. ADP Run, best for customizable payroll plans. ADP Run offers payroll processing that's fast, easy, and best of all, you get to decide how much or how little functionality you need. The software provides automated payroll processing, helping you to avoid expensive errors and focus your time elsewhere. Even better is that ADP Run stays updated with continuously changing rules and regulations, ensuring you keep compliant at every stage, and offers direct deposit and mobile payroll payment options. There's a full self-service app for employees that they can use to log in and check their financial information, and straightforward integration with time tracking and HR functionality. We particularly like the flexible packages on offer. For example, you'll be able to cherry-pick the services you need and bolster your package with add-ons. Need time tracking but don't want to pay for retirement plans? Your plan can reflect those needs. Another significant advantage of ADP Run is its built-in tax compliance feature. It uses an AI-powered error detection method to identify and flag tax errors before submission. The tax compliance tool also has an excellent feature for managing and tracking overtime hours, overtime scheduling, and overtime pay. This is something that's crucial for your restaurant. Essentially, there are 4 main plans for 1 to 49 employees and another 4 for businesses with 50+ employees. The features in the plans steadily increase. To learn more about ADP's plans, check out our detailed ADP review. Unfortunately, ADP doesn't list its prices, and you'll have to contact them for a quote. Restaurant payroll software can be a lifesaver with tools that streamline processes and cut down on unnecessary stress. Take your time to pick the best for you, and be sure to factor in the tax management, self-service, and payment capabilities of each.